Lluvia, corramos.
I say Americans don't eat salad. Lots of people.
Other than Serrano. Wilder than...
It's more than
Oh, it takes longer, I believe. Look at that. So what kind of fish do you want? Oh, they're definitely fresh. What kind of fish would you like? What a quinky dink. What?
I like whelps.
I like the shells.
I like whelps.
Cool. Well, that would be freaky. Look at all that. Yeah. And a fish back there too. Look at this combo. Do you want any of these? Well, the warm dish is over here. Yes, you like the pollock. Are these shoes easier to walk in?
Yeah.
Sorry. Zoe? Zoe? Warm dishes here if you want. This? Nice.
You had all this to choose from.
So shit. Oh well, you choose a better one then. Go on, I'm waiting. Come on, chop chop. Yes, it's them. Pocky. Look a hell of a lot more stable in those shoes.
You just like to keep me short.
No, I'd like to keep you with no injuries. With the other ones, you looked a little bit wobbly. Yeah. Quite nice. Did they know the other food you saw earlier catch your fancy?
The salty ones.
Parrots. There you go.
I don't care if they change the map.
Rob.
How much is a bag of time? Like $7.
Hasta rico tu vaso que yo puedo llevarme hecho en la botella. Este voy a dejarlo. De sacar la bolsa.
We have these. Remember? Vita soy. There's like a million different flavors.
Which ones do you like?
I like the chocolate ones. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Oh yeah, my drinks.
We'll read it properly this time.
Yes. But I do have the right ones this time. I mean, look at that. They do have the right thing. I'm good, thanks. Let's go look at the food again and then go home, alright?